Screen. Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. Supriya, Rajendra, Savita, hello. Hello, am I audible to you? Hi. Hello Vandana, Devika, hello. Hima Bindu. Okay, you are my target 95 student, right? Hima Bindu. Hi Hima Bindu. Hi Arish, Mallikarjun. Good morning everyone. So how is your preparation going on towards the examination? Hi Reshma, hi Sinchana, Manjula, hello, Mallikarjun, Binzi, Savita, unknown. So there is someone here who is unknown. Okay, Basavraj, Abhi, Shalini, YouTube journey, VK's YouTube journey. Okay, Abhi, Harsha, Raju. So very good morning to everyone. Hi. Hello everyone. So good to see you all. Good to see you all. So are you all from class 10 or from any other classes? So just post your class also, no? Which class you belong to. Uh, is everyone from class 10? If it is class 10, post your syllabus. I mean, whether you are from CBSE or state. Okay, so almost everybody are from class 10. Okay, very good. Okay, so CBSE exams are approaching, right? Okay, so today I'll tell you few things which can be useful for your final examinations, and also here and now from now onwards I'll come live to discuss some important chapters. Okay, so I may not go through all the chapters, but there are some typical chapters, no? So let us discuss important aspects of those chapters which can help you for scoring, okay, for your final examination. Because many are asking me, ma'am, you share your things in YouTube also. See, we cannot buy the course, etc., right? So for those children, I have come in YouTube also. Okay, and one more good news for you all is actually, since many have requested me to reduce the price of the course, you all have an idea that very recently I have launched this target 95 plus course in homeschool application, right? So many are already getting benefit out of that. If any of your friends have purchased the course, you can take a feedback from them how the course is. So I must say it is really worth taking the course. So that is what is the opinion of the children who took the course. Okay, see, almost I'm giving a 30 hours of class, each and every chapter in a detailed way, shortcut way. I'm revising everything. Along with that, important questions I'm giving, and I'm helping them to solve the important questions and application questions, etc. So many things we are doing in a course. Already chemistry part is over. Okay, so major chapters of chemistry is over. So today we will have to start with biology. See, if anybody are interested, you can purchase the course even now, and we have kept 200 flat coupon. Okay, so with this coupon you can purchase the course for just 799. The price of the course, actual price of the course was 999, right, as of now. See, with the help of this coupon code, you can buy the course for just 799. Okay, see, don't think that it is a huge money. No, not at all. Okay, it is a matter of spending money for a lunch or something like that, right? Even if you go for having a lunch outside, it will cost this much minimum nowadays. So it is a cost of one full lunch, Sunday's lunch. That's it, guys. Okay, see, because many are requesting me, they are interested to buy the course, but still they cannot afford the money. So for them, I am giving you a chance, and this chance is there only for first 25 members, guys. Only for next 25 members, this coupon code is available. Okay, so before you buy a course, so this option is available. You can click this option. Okay, 200 flat. This is the option available below the course. Just click this. The coupon will get applied and you can buy the course easily. Okay, so inform your friends, and those who are already into the course, you can refer the course to your friends, give your feedback. Okay, so all that you can share with your friends. And don't forget, this is still available. If you are willing to buy the course, you can buy. See, you will get the live recordings in a course. See, already 4 chemistry chapters are over, right? So their recordings will be available. You will not be missing anything actually. Okay, so their recordings are available. Only thing that you missed out was the time. See, 5 to 6 days time you missed out, and interaction with me you have missed out. Otherwise, whatever the content I told, everything is recorded. You can watch that. Okay, fine. So, and this course is majorly helpful for SSLC students. I mean Karnataka state board students. Okay, but CBSE students are also there. Even for them, I'm trying to give a justice. I mean, syllabus is same. That way, concepts will get revised. But for board point of view, so I'll make an arrangements to give a justice. Okay, so that's all about information I wanted to tell you. And now let us come to the topic as I promised for YouTube students. Okay, I am here with certain tips on chemistry, biology and physics. Like today's class, I'll tell you what you have to concentrate more. Okay, I mean in biology, what you should focus more, chemistry, what you should focus more, physics, what you should focus more to get more marks. Okay, and one more thing, people are asking me passing package. Ma'am, you tell me what questions to study for just passing. There is a PDF file which is present in a course. It is available for free. Okay, so in the app, in homeschool application, go for study material option. Okay, so inside a study material option, this passing package PDF is available. You can take the printout and happily study for passing. Okay, and whatever tips I am sharing now is to increase your score a little bit. Okay, fine. And coming to chemistry part. Okay, so first I will share some tips regarding chemistry part, right? See, chemistry, you have 5 chapters, right? So chemical reactions, equations, from that chapter focus on balancing. Okay, and one more thing is chemistry questions look very huge or big, but the answers are very simple. And focus writing chemical equations for chemistry questions. Okay, so and balancing is very important. You should always write balanced chemical equations, guys. Balanced chemical equations are very important to mention as the answers. So whatever chemical equation you write as an answer, no, it should always be in a balanced form. Okay, fine. So people are asking me, we cannot see the board clearly. See, you change your quality. Okay, so you can, your quality mode you can just change and see. Fine. Okay, so is this okay now? Supriya is asking, ma'am, how to buy that? You just download homeschool application, go to the courses option. Okay, you will find this target 95 plus for 22-23 exam. Okay, coupon code is available below. Click a coupon code and you can buy. Okay, so 200 rupees off you will get for next 2 days. I mean only for next 25 students. Okay. Okay. Fine. See, now coming to the topic, see, like I said, balanced chemical equations are must and should in case of chemistry, and focus from the first chapter, focus the reactions like decomposition reactions. Okay, so definitely I think maybe for MCQ or 1 mark or whatever may be the form, decomposition reactions can be asked. Okay, more chances are there to ask about the decomposition reactions. See, under decomposition reactions you have 3 types, no? One is thermal decomposition reaction, the other one is photochemical decomposition reaction, and electrolysis, right? So you must know complete concept of the decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction, the 2 examples are there. Photochemical decomposition, okay, for example here AgCl is there. When you keep it in presence of sunlight, you will get Ag plus Cl2, right? So the use of these reactions, they may ask you the use of these reactions. Tell me, what is the use of photochemical decomposition reaction? Can anyone reply me? Okay, so what is the use of this reaction? Decomposition of AgCl into Ag plus Cl. Yes, in photography, right? So black and white photography, that is important. Sri has answered it correctly. Photochemical decomposition reaction is used in black and white photography, right? So like this, you should not neglect the concept. Okay, so whatever the core concept is there, that is very important to revise and study. Very good. Okay, and now one more example here in case of electrolysis. See, with the help of electricity, you will break water into H2 plus O2, no? So electrolysis in the sense you will have a cathode, anode, etc. So here H2 is formed at which electrode? H2. Tell me guys, H2 is formed at which electrode? Cathode or anode? Okay, which side H2 gas is formed? Cathode or anode? Yes, cathode. H2 gas is formed at cathode and O2 gas is formed at anode, right? And which gas is formed in highest amount? Okay, which gas is formed in highest amount? Yes? H2 gas, very good, very good. Hima Bindu says H2 gas is formed in highest amount because the amount of hydrogen in water is more. Okay, so it is there in 2:1 ratio. Since H content is more in water, H2 gas will be produced more, right? So these are the different equations that you have to concentrate. Okay, and along with that, after decomposition reaction, what you have to concentrate is reactions something like this. Say suppose ZNO plus carbon, they will give you Zn plus CO. So they'll ask you which is reduced and which is oxidized. Which is reduced and which is oxidized, they'll ask you. So this type of questions are also very much common in the board examinations, guys. So they'll give you equation and they'll ask you which is reduced, which is oxidized. So definitely look at here, zinc oxide got converted into zinc. So we have seen the removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen is called what? Removal of oxygen is called what? Is it reduction or oxidation? Removal of oxygen. Yes, removal of oxygen is called as reduction, right? Yes. So here zinc oxide is reduced, and look at here, carbon changed to carbon monoxide. That means oxygen is added, no? So carbon is oxidized. Carbon is oxidized. This is how you have to decide. And you have to decide your answer among the reactants, guys. Among the 2 reactants, always one will be reduced and the other one will be oxidized. Okay. got to know? So this model of the question is very important, and on decomposition also reaction is very important. Along with that, you must know how to balance the chemical equations. Okay, so for SSLC board, they may give you certain equations and they'll ask you to write in a balanced form. You know, that form is also very important from the chapter. Okay, so these are the few things which you have to concentrate from first chapter. Okay, along with that, you must know the difference between exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction, definition of combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and you should know how to write examples for them. Okay, so all that is important. Okay, so one general idea I gave you how you can expect questions from the first chapter. Okay, say, and similarly coming to the chapter acids, bases and salts, acids, bases and salts, and also the chapter metals and non-metals, metals and non-metals. Okay, so from both the chapters, give reason type of questions are very much common, guys. Give reason type of questions. Okay, see, why do acid solution conduct electricity? So why do the salt solution conduct electricity? So ionic compound in a solid state do not conduct electricity. Why? Okay, so you have lots of give reason. The more the questions you practice, you know, the more perfect you will become. So expect give reason type of questions from both the chapters. Okay, so list out all the possible give reasons questions and mention it, guys. Okay, so these are the things you have to concentrate from these two chapters. And coming to carbon and its compounds. So carbon and its compounds is the chapter which most of them feel difficulty, right? How many of you feel carbon and its compound chapter difficult? Tell me. Share your opinion. Carbon and its compounds. How many of you feel it difficult? Easy. Okay, so many are saying that it is easy. Okay, few Chandana is saying it's difficult. No, easy. Okay. See, actually, if you study the chapter the way it has to be studied, this chapter is actually easy only. Okay. See, you must know how to write the structures of alkanes, alkenes, okay, and alkynes. Along with that, you must know how to write the dot structures, guys. Dot structures. Okay, see, these are important things. And also you have some chemical reactions, right? So you have studied oxidation reaction, substitution reaction, combustion reaction, and addition reactions. Okay, so these are important. And along with that, don't forget to revise the cleansing action of soap. Cleansing action of soap, write point wise. Answer should be point wise. Okay, so these are the things you can concentrate from carbon and its compounds chapter. Okay, so carbon and its compounds is very important. So that's all about the chapter that you have to concentrate. Okay, fine. And coming to periodic table. So in case of periodic table, application questions can be asked. Application questions can be asked. Okay. Application questions you have to prepare from the chapter periodic classification of elements. Okay, it is quite an easy chapter actually. Application questions are the one you have to focus more. Okay, so this is something that you can concentrate about chemistry chapters, right? And coming to biology, focus on diagrams and diagram based questions. So coming to biology, okay, so focus on diagrams and diagram based questions. Diagram based questions are very important. Okay, fine. And life process, yes, majorly diagrams and concept. And coming to control and coordination. Okay, so coming to control and coordination, remember the brain, different parts of brain and those parts importance. Okay, see you have cerebrum. So cerebrum is controlled. What activities are controlled by cerebrum, okay, and what activities are controlled by cerebellum, okay, and what activities are controlled by medulla, and all those things you have to focus more. Okay, and not only that, here hormones are very important. Hormones, different types of hormones, and where they are secreted, what is their duty, okay, and if enough amount of hormone is not produced in a body, what is the disease caused, and all of them are very, very important. Okay, and not only the hormones of human body, focus on plant hormones also. Okay, like you have auxins. Okay, so auxin is one plant hormone, gibberellins, right? Then cytokinins and abscisic acid. So what is their duty? What does the auxin do? What does the cytokinin do? You know, these are some necessary things you have to focus on the chapter control and coordination. Okay, so this is important, guys, and you can expect some application questions also from control and coordination. For that, you should be definitely knowing the concept. Okay, so without knowing a concept you can't do anything with application questions, right? So but I am just telling you the very common part of a chapter which has already been asked many times in the SSLC board examination. Okay, so based on that knowledge, I am telling you, concentrate at least this much. If you feel this chapter difficult, no, at least concentrate on this much. You can get some decent mark from a chapter. Okay, so at least 1 or 2 mark you can able to score, right? Definitely. Brain parts and its importance, different hormones, their location, their function and their diseases, plant hormones and their importance. Okay, at least one short question may come from these 3 concepts. Okay, fine. So that is about control and coordination, guys. And coming to heredity and evolution, this is another chapter most of them feel difficult, right? So heredity evolution is actually very simple topic, guys. So in case of heredity, okay, concentrate how to do monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Monohybrid and dihybrid cross you have to focus more. Okay, and after that, sex determination in humans, sex determination focus it more, right? And the fossils, age of fossils, right? And then homologous and analogous organs are very, very important. Okay, homologous and analogous organs. Then speciation, reasons for speciation. Okay, so all these are important only. Okay, fine. So, and how do organisms reproduce? So, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, different methods, and that is quite an easiest chapter. Okay, you can easily focus that chapter in a full-fledged way. Okay, don't leave that chapter. Easily you can understand the things. So, focus the entire concept of the chapter, right? And coming to physics part. So physics is what difficult for most of the students, no? So especially electricity, magnetic effect of electric current and these chapters. Okay, so if you feel physics very, very difficult, first thing you have to focus is the simple aspects. Okay, so here the simple aspects are learn about all the devices, guys. Okay, see, as far as my knowledge concerned, every year at least one question, either in the form of MCQ or in the form of 1 mark, one question definitely they'll ask on the devices. Okay, so devices. So what are the devices you have? Ammeter is there. Okay, and voltmeter is there. Voltmeter, rheostat. Okay, rheostat, and then galvanometer. Galvanometer, you will find this word in magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so generator, motor, right? So these are the different devices you will come across. So what is their use? Ammeter is used to measure what? Current. Used to measure current. I in the sense current. Voltmeter is used to measure voltage. Rheostat is used to regulate the current. Okay, regulate the current, or helpful to control the current, right, by changing the resistance. And galvanometer detects the current. it it is helpful in detecting the current, right? And generator, so what does the generator do? It will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. And motor, electrical energy into mechanical energy, right? So these are the different devices you have to focus more, guys, especially their uses. And also focus, ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay, so these devices, definitely one question you can expect this year, either in the form of MCQ or 1 mark. Okay, so don't forget to learn all the devices and also their units. So there are certain units, right? See, units of current is what? Coulomb. Okay, coulomb. And units of resistance is what? Ohms. Units of voltage is what? Volt. Okay, units of power, watt, right? And units of electrical energy, kilowatt hour. Okay, these units you should know, and their definitions also important. So how do you define electric current is ampere, right? Ampere. So they'll ask you, how do you define 1 ampere, 1 ohm, 1 volt? So their definition, units and their definitions. Okay, so both are important. So these are certain simple aspects that you can focus more, okay? So to get the minimum marks from physics part. And apart from this, you can practice diagrams of resistors in series and resistors in parallel. If the resistors are connected in series and parallel, those diagrams are also very important. And electric motor and electric generator. Okay, so these are again the two important questions from magnetic effect of electric current. So they may ask you the principle, construction and working. Okay, so don't neglect those two questions, guys. Electric motor and electric generator. So what you have to study about them is principle, okay, construction and working. Principle, construction and working. Okay, so these are the three things you have to focus more. And thumb rules in magnetic effect of electric current, the thumb rules are very important. So you have 3 thumb rules there. Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, then Fleming's left hand thumb rule and Fleming's right hand thumb rule. So all the 3 thumb rules you have to focus more, right? And coming to a light chapter, yes, light chapter, if you feel it difficulty, at least focus on ray diagrams. Okay, so ray diagrams are very important. Ray diagrams of all lenses and all mirrors. And actually on a problem solving concept, I have done free trial video which is available in the homeschool application. So if you want to solve the problems easily, if you want to remember the sign conventions easily, then you can go and watch that video. It is available freely in the homeschool application. Okay, so don't miss that video. So very good content I have actually shared with you all. Okay, so just go to Target 95 Plus course, free trial video is available. Okay, so in that I have discussed some important aspects of light chapter, guys. Okay, and coming to sources of energy, conventional sources, non-conventional sources, all the sources and their importance and dangerous aspect, I mean hazardous things and important things, everything you should know. Okay, so biomass and how do you get biomass, so that is more important. Okay, Say our environment and sustainable management, they are simple chapters, focus on small definitions, okay, like trophic levels and concept about the trophic level, biomagnification, etc. You have to focus. Okay, say this is a small glimpse I have given you what you have to focus more to score at least some good decent marks. Okay, see in case of physics there are certain things like you should not forget the devices, their units. So these are all commonly asked questions, guys. Okay, see and every now and then from now I will come live in YouTube also. I'll be discussing few aspects relating to examination point of view, don't worry. And don't forget the offer that I am giving you. If you want target 95 plus course, it is really a good course, guys. Don't miss it out, because 30 hours of content I am telling you. So not missing even a single word of NCERT textbook. You can ask if your friends have taken a course, take a feedback and then think of. Okay, so I want to help each and everyone. But you know, even I should get something out of it, no? So that is why do help us and do support us. And don't forget, if you want to buy the course with offer, just you can you make use of this coupon code 200 flat. Okay, and this is available only for first 25 members. Keep that in mind. From now, from today, from this point onwards, first 25 members only can use this coupon. Okay, so if you want, you have to hurry up. Okay, so 200 off you will get. So that is all about today's video, guys. Just I wanted to share this news, and I wanted to give a kind of confidence in science, and just focus on whatever the concepts I told in 3 different branches like chemistry, physics and bio. It is definitely a easiest subject, I can say. No need to worry. And don't worry, for YouTube students, I'll definitely help you out by taking live classes. Okay. And Mukesh is asking, ma'am, 12th course for next year. Yes, definitely we will make a course for next year. So everything we will intimate, okay, before itself. For 11th we will make a course, for 12th we will make a course, and don't worry, we will keep a very reasonable prices. Okay, not like any other things. Okay. So guys, you share your experience. So how is your preparation towards exam? Are you feeling nervous, or are you confident with the concepts? And you tell me what chapters you want me through YouTube live. Okay, which chapters should I discuss? Ma'am, please upload human eye. Yes, within a week I will try to apply on human eye. Don't worry. Okay, so tell me which chapter. RP is asking light. Light, the important tricks, like I told you, no, it is already there in a free trial class. You can go to the app and check it out. Okay, fine. Ma'am, heredity evolution. Okay, so I'll come up with heredity evolution, magnetic effect. Few are asking magnetic effect. Okay, refractive index, ma'am. Okay, I'll come up with refractive index also. Application, okay, fine. See, we cannot tell the chapters in a very detailed way. You know, detailed explanation is already available in the YouTube channel. Right? If you want to learn in a detailed way about a particular concept, everything is covered in a YouTube channel. You can take the best use of the content, guys. No doubt in that. Okay. So in the live classes, for exam point of view, how much ever is necessary, that much I will try to revise. Okay, so next, definitely most of you are asking heredity evolution, right? Okay, so in the next 2 or 3 days I will intimate you, and I will come up with this heredity and evolution chapter for you all. Okay, so I'll focus like what you can get for exam and how you can answer. Okay, fine. So numericals, few are asking. Yes, on numericals we will do a separate video, right? And before that, do focus on a course, because if you take up a course, no, you get much detailed aspects. In a YouTube live also, I may not cover many details. Okay, so if you think of a course, you can get more details. The only thing is you have missed a few days, that's it. Okay, because you have missed a few days, I have given 200 off here. Okay, so think about a course. get a feedback from your friends, those who have already purchased the course. They are already giving excellent feedback for me. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all guys. So meet you all in the next live with heredity and evolution. Okay, so we'll intimate you within 2 days. And if you are asking me, ma'am, class 12 chemistry, definitely with class 12 chemistry I'll help you out. Okay, next year those who are going for class 12, I'll promise that I'll come up with class 12 chemistry videos also in the YouTube, and I will come up with the excellent course also. Already there is a course on organic chemistry, class 12 organic chemistry. You have a beautiful course already. I have got a huge excellent feedback about a course. You can think of buying that course. Okay, so when you buy it right from the starting of academic year, it will be easy to learn. People are buying at the end, but that is not okay. So when there is a course on a recorded videos, you can think of buying right from starting, so that you will get lot of time to watch the recorded videos. Class 12 organic course actually contains a recorded videos. Okay, so you can just go to the application and check out the courses whatever is available for class 12. Okay, and you also have a running notes. Whichever course I am doing, no, I am providing the notes also for that. Okay, so that's all guys. So thank you so much. See you all in the next live class, and do refer the course for your friends also. Let everybody get a benefit. So thank you so much. All the best. All the best. Keep learning.